Hello my friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious banana cupcake, especially for El Día de los Niños. This is what my mother would make us on this special day. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. These banana cupcakes for El Día de los Niños, these are the ingredients. I have cinnamon, baking powder, 1 pinch of salt, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of vinegar. It could be apple vinegar or clear vinegar. 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of milk, regular milk, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and 2 bananas. This is everything we need to enjoy this delicious and amazing banana cupcake for El Día de los Niños. So let's get started. I want to start here first with the 2 tablespoons of milk and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Of course, I am using apple vinegar, but you could use clear vinegar, apple vinegar, you decide. It's gonna come out amazing. And here I want to start here first with the 2 ripe bananas. You want to make sure that your bananas are nice and ripe because they are going to be so sweet and delicious. And of course, the aroma of the banana, amazing. Every time I make these cupcakes, I remember when my mom used to make these cupcakes for us when I was a child. She would make many recipes, but for El Día de los Niños, she would really make these banana cupcakes, and they came out amazing. I am sure you guys are going to love this recipe. It's a very easy recipe. It's perfect for 6 cupcakes, and of course, when you have little ones at home, you want to really enjoy these cupcakes with them. Look at this. I have 2 ripe bananas. I have 1 room temperature egg. Here I'm going to add the 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I know that all these ingredients you have at home. You cannot forget the vanilla extract, and I have vanilla paste. I am going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla paste, and of course I'm being generous. I'm not measuring. I am going to whisk everything, combine everything really good. Right about this time, you could really smell the aroma of the banana. When the bananas are nice and ripe, you add less sugar. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Of course, the brown sugar has molasses, and this really brings up all those amazing flavors of the banana and the cinnamon. Once you incorporate it really good and everything is nice and incorporated, I am going to continue by adding the milk. Yes, the milk is nice and thick. I'm going to incorporate it good, and now I am ready to add the dry ingredients. I am going to sift them. I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and 1 pinch of salt. The pinch of salt is going to bring up all those amazing flavors of the banana and the sugar. Once you incorporate the dry ingredients, just mix it until everything has been combined and you see no powder at all. Look at this. The texture is going to be a little thick. It's not going to be runny. By this time, you have to turn your oven on to 350 Fahrenheit so it's nice and hot when you add your cupcakes into the oven. I am going to help myself with the spatula, making sure that everything is nice and covered and incorporated. And I am ready to add it to the cupcake containers. But before I do that, I'm going to spray them with vegetable oil, being very generous so the cupcake doesn't stick on the bottom or the sides of the cupcake molds. And now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of the batter into each one. This is a perfect amount for 6 cupcakes. Let me tell you, they're going to come out so delicious and amazing. The flavor of the banana really concentrated. If you got to this point and you love this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media, subscribe to my channel so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing, because only with your help, Cooking with Gloria will continue growing. And of course, you know that I love sharing my homemade recipes, because when you cook with love, everything comes out perfect. And here the cupcakes are out of the oven. I'm going to put a little stick inside. If it comes out clean, that means they are cooked completely. But let me show you how they look from close up. They're nice and golden brown from the top. Of course, I need to show you the inside. Look how easy they release from the baking dish, and look how soft, how moist they are from the inside. The aroma of the banana, oh my gosh, just amazing. Of course, I'm going to add some decoration on the top. I have 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, and I am going to whip until there are peaks, until it's nice and fluffy. And we are ready. When it's really nice and fluffy and still peaks, then you're ready to add it to a little plastic bag for your decoration. Look at this. This is exactly what you want on the day of El Día de los Niños. You want to enjoy this cupcake with your little ones at home. Or remember your past, when your mother or father would bake for you these delicious or amazing desserts. Here, I am ready to go ahead and start making the decoration on the top. Of course, you don't need to decorate them. You could eat them just like that. But of course, for a little more beauty in the cupcakes, I am going to add some heavy whipping cream on the top. And so the kids know that it's a banana cupcake, I am going to slice some bananas, and I am going to add 1 piece of the banana right on the top. Look how beautiful this looks. If I could make this cupcake at home, you could make it at home and you can enjoy it with your little ones. Look how easy this is. Like I always say, when you cook with love, everything comes out perfect. And the kids are really going to enjoy this amazing cupcake. I am going to continue with the rest of the cupcakes. This is the perfect recipe for 6 medium-sized cupcakes. I hope you make it at home for El Día de los Niños. I'll see you in just a little bit. Can't wait to enjoy. completely done with these amazing banana cupcakes. Perfect for el Día de los Niños. My mother used to make this in this special day. You could add some whipped cream on the top, a little bit of banana, or you could just enjoy it just like that. Excuse me. Moist, so penetrated with the flavor of the banana. Amazing. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing banana cupcake at home for el Día de los Niños. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.